Here's another from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right. Well, we have abundant sunshine here today, but it is going to be cold. And we're also going to talk about the blizzard in the Northeast here in just a minute. Now, again, it looks pretty outside, and it does look pretty, but my goodness, it is cold. As of 7 a.m., it is 16 at KCI, 12 in Maryville, a balmy 25 in Pleasanton, and these winds are out of the north right now, 15 to 25 miles per hour. The wind chill at 0 at KCI, -4 in Bethany, -5 in Milan, and that balmy 16 there in Pleasanton. So yeah, it is a cold morning, and our Arctic air is helping to fuel the storm in the eastern United States. Now, part of that storm went through here yesterday with struggling areas of snow. Now, our storm isn't exactly the storm in the east, but it's part of it, part of the energy. And you can see here Sunday morning in the eastern United States, there is rain and snow starting to increase. 33 right now in New York City. And the storm is going to intensify very quickly. It's going to be a bomb cyclone. That means the pressure will drop more than 24 millibars in 24 hours. That is quite a rapid strengthening. And so because of that, and it's going to be snow, the first blizzard warning since February 8th and 9th, 2017 in New York City. And a blizzard warning goes all the way from eastern Maryland and Delaware all the way to Massachusetts. My goodness, that is impressive. And so when we take a look at the storm here, this is at 10 a.m. and Sunday, and you can see there's a surface low there east of the Carolinas beginning to snow in New York City. And watch this. Look what happens in just 12 hours. It just blows up. It could be the strength of a Category 2 hurricane. And offshore winds could be 60, 70, 80 miles an hour. In the cities, on the land, the friction slows the wind down, but you're still looking at 40, 50 mile per hour winds, if not higher in some spots, with snowfall rates of 2 to 4 inches per hour. And on Monday, it will roar on by and go up towards the Maine on North Atlantic and then out by Monday night. But it is going to leave quite a bit of snow. How much is it going to leave? 1 to 2 feet are possible along the East Coast. Yes, anywhere from the Delaware to Boston, you're looking at 15 to maybe 25 inches of snow. Inland, a little less. Regardless, that is a lot of snow. And the wind, too. Huge drifts, of course, as well. For us, it is much quieter. We are going to see sunshine but cold in the low 30s today. Tonight, this high-pressure area, the opposite of a storm, moves into Nebraska, 2 in Omaha, where they have snow cover. We'll be in the teens. I think 18 might be a little warm, but it will still, just by a few degrees, it's still cold. And wind chills will be around 0. Won't be as much wind, but with temperatures in the teens, it doesn't take much wind to make the wind chill near 0. Then during the day tomorrow with sunshine, we'll get up to the low to mid 30s. Look at that, 63 in Denver. Denver has broken its record for the most 60-degree highs during the winter. It's been a very odd winter out in Colorado. Just very, very little amounts of snow and not cold at all. So we're in the low to mid 30s on Monday afternoon. Then as we go towards Monday evening, it drops into the 20s. But look what happens by Tuesday morning. Temperature goes up to near 40 as that warm front surges in, and we'll be well into the 50s on Tuesday, even with winds and clouds. Near 70 out there in Dodge City, and near 80 there near Amarillo. So yes, quite impressive. Then on Wednesday, not bad. Temperatures will be in the 50s. There's a system that's going to zip out of the northwest, and on Wednesday night, this is our main chance of precipitation this week. We could have a few rain showers, and look at that snow in Iowa. It's going to get close by Thursday morning. It's going to be could be a little snow in northeast Missouri. We'll be in the 30s here. And then during the day, Thursday, probably around 50 or so as that system goes by. There's warm front to the west. And on Friday, we are back into the 60s, 70s out in the western plains. Now, the weekend, as we go transition to March. Now, March around here is always odd weather-wise as we transition from winter to spring. And on Saturday, we could be in the 50s, 60s, even near 70. And on Sunday, on this data, we're in the warmer air. See this front? It's in the teens and 20s to the north, 70s and 80s to the south. This model run, this is the American model, has the front to our north or near us. The other models bring it through. If it comes through, it's only going to be in the 20s and 30s on Sunday. So we will watch that. Doesn't look like a lot of precipitation, but something we'll watch closely. It could set us up for some wintry precipitation next week if we get into the colder air. So we will keep an eye on that. So that's a week away. Today, it is cold without any precipitation, 26 at noon, 33 in the afternoon. Northwest winds 10 to 20, wind chill 10 to 15 this afternoon, and around in the single digits this morning. Then tomorrow, well, tonight 17 at midnight, 13 in the morning, 36 in the afternoon. And then as we go into tomorrow night, you notice 25 at 7 p.m., but up to 27 at midnight. And that begins our warm-up on the Super 10-day forecast. We are looking at 56 Tuesday, 54 Wednesday. There's that chance of a little bit of rain Wednesday night. We have that low at 32, but I don't think we'll have to deal with any icing or anything. And then Friday up near 70, and then next weekend, those questions. Even if the cold front comes through, it could still be warmer, much warmer on Saturday before it comes through. So that forecast is likely to change as we get closer to it one way or the other. Have a great rest of your weekend and week ahead. Stay healthy.